Okay, guys, the paint is all dry. As you can see, I will do this once I finish with the rope, with the twist. With the nautical rope around here, I'll paint this a little bit, but I don't believe this will show, so I'm going to put the nautical rope around here. So let's do that now. I started this yesterday and I had to finish it off today. I'm going to put it right around here. Those. It's the glue from coming out from the inside. Right on top of this, so you won't be able to see that. I'm going to continue all the way around. Again, I seen something similar on one of the groups that I'm in, or Pinterest, So what I'm doing is I'm duplicating it. Shout out to the lady who came up with this idea. I think it's a cute idea. If you want it permanently, you can use E6000, but I'm going to change my decor later on, so I'm not going to use the E6000. I'm very heavy-handed on this glue. Sometimes I don't know if that's a good thing. But what I do know is I spend a lot of money in purchasing glue. Sometimes I go to the Dollar Tree, but most of the time I try to order the bulk from Amazon. And if you want to order bulk glue from Amazon, you just put in bulks. Different size and different brands. Gorilla Glue is one of my favorite. It's up to you guys. Right now I'm going to try to finish this one off today because I have another project that I'm working on that I need to finish up also. So I'm going to finish this off today. With a glue gun. I tell you, if you're not a crafter, if you tell me you never was burnt by no glue, it's everyone. From the advanced to those who don't know how to use it. little burn here and there from this glue. Love it, but you have to be very careful when working with it. This is a mess right now. Turn it this way so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. Favorite cardboard box. I use that for painting, and when I'm using my glue, just sit it up there like that. That way, if it drips on there, it's not a problem. It's hot. Hot. Very careful when working with it. So hot glue dries very, very fast. That's one of the reasons why it's such a good product. Using a painter stick, I try to use wood glue. Took too long to dry, so I switched over to the glue. In a couple of minutes, I was ready to go. But you see how that looks? Doesn't that look cool? Yeah. Nautical rope. And Dollar Tree. Love it. Does a great job. Especially for home decors. Chic, shabby homes. Nautical rope will do the trick. Always. You guys, it doesn't cost much to transform your home into a beautiful, chic, how can I say it, up-to-date, cool home. Champagne glasses that you can wrap the rope around, some picture frames, anything. You could use this rope and it'll change the look. It'll change it. It'll update it to chic and shabby. So if that's what you're looking for, get you some nautical rope. Just did a chandelier out of nautical rope and jute twine. Oh my god, it came out so cool, guys. So cool. I believe I have that video posted. If you guys get a chance, go check that one out. this is what it's looking like so far. And of course it has mistakes. And I'm not ashamed to say I have mistakes because I tell everybody crafters makes mistakes all the time. So what I'm thinking now, I need something to hide this little spot here because it's on both sides. That's where I am gluing together, and I want to get rid of that. This one here is not too bad, but the other one is really bad. So I'm going to use, I think I'm going to use a piece of jute. I have all sorts of jute. These smaller ones here. This one here is my favorite. This one. Then this one here is my favorite. I love working with this one. It's a little bit thicker. And this one here was purchased from Amazon. So I think we're going to use this one. So to bring them together, what I do is put a little bit of glue there and I twist it. Don't burn your finger a little something. Sides are done. So let's move on to the next step. I'll be right back because I have to get my lighter. I don't know if you guys can see it. You see all the little bit of hairs that's sticking out right here and over here? What I'm going to do is use my lighter to take all those little tiny hairs away. It makes it makes the project look much better. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you 2 or 3 ways that you can use some candles in this project. The first is these 2 here. I'll turn them on. I need to put some batteries in this one here. And I'm going to put some rocks in here. Okay, I'm spreading. Okay, that's one way. Right. I'm thinking maybe I should have got 2 packs, and I will go back and get another pack. If not to fill the whole thing up, just to fill half. Okay, that's one way. Or you can have a couple of these. I only have 4 of these right now, and I'll have to find the other one. Just another way to show you how you can work that. And the way I'm going to do it, so I'm going to use these flameless, and at night they're going to look so beautiful on the table. I used this in a project before. They're gorgeous, especially around the holidays, around the Christmas tree. Another idea. So there you have it, guys. That's how I'm going to use it to sit on my table. Now, if you guys can come up with something different, please let me know. If you don't want to use the rocks, you can use greenage. You can use flowers. There's so many different things that you can put. You know, so many different things that you can put there to bring that area out. Yeah. So you guys tell me what you think. I think I love it. What you guys think? So the holidays are coming. This can go in the backyard. This can go in your bathroom. Can sit on your table. Yeah. So I really like this idea. You guys tell me what you think. I'm gonna give you a close up. So that's how it would look on your table at night. I think it's gorgeous. I really think it's gorgeous. You can even sit this on your dresser in your bedroom and use it as a nightlight. But yeah, there it is, guys. So what do you think of it? Let me know in the comments. Please share. Please hit that bell to be notified anytime I upload a video. I have something that I'm getting ready to make, and I want you guys to come along with me. So whatever you do, please come back again. Enjoying Rosalind's Journey Through Crafting on Facebook. So, on that note, good night, guys.